Hello everyone, I'm celebrating New Year's Day on the Norfolk coast with my fiancée George. I've decided to start this new year with a challenge. I'm going for a dip. It was our friend Megan's idea to go for a dip with her family on New Year's Day, and when she offered, I just had to go. The water was so cold that our legs became numb very quickly, but it was very good to get over the mental obstacles ready for the new year. And who doesn't enjoy a warming hot chocolate? There's something so magical about bubbles that they really release the inner child in everyone, even adults. Here I'm feeling very happy having popped enough bubbles. I had my favourite, chips with curry sauce. We enjoyed exploring the town of Cromer whilst the sun retreated. As the crowds gathered, we knew it was nearly time. The next day was our last day with family in Norfolk before going back to Birmingham. Little Stanley certainly had a good time. I hope you enjoyed this video and will stay for more adventures. Until then, take care, see you soon.